Hello and welcome to Miss Lily's Fun Classroom. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of forces, specifically push and pull forces. Ready to embark on this learning adventure? Let's dive right in. We'll discover the different types of forces, such as push, pull, and gravity, and how they influence the motion of objects. So, let's get started and uncover the mysteries of push and pull forces. Forces are like invisible hands that interact with objects, causing them to move, stop, or change direction. Let's take a closer look at these powerful phenomena and understand how they work. First, let's unravel the concept of push forces, those mighty shoves that propel objects away from us. Think of pushing a toy car across the floor or giving a swing a gentle push to set it in motion. These are all examples of how push forces affect the motion of objects. Now, let's venture into the realm of pull forces, those strong tugs that draw objects closer to us. Imagine pulling a wagon up a hill or using a rope to pull a heavy object towards you. These actions demonstrate the influence of pull forces on the motion of objects. Next, let's explore the force of gravity, that invisible force that pulls objects towards the Earth's surface. Gravity keeps us firmly planted on the ground and causes objects to fall when dropped. Let's observe how gravity affects the motion of objects of different sizes and weights. As we journey through the realm of forces, we'll gain insights into the principles of physics that govern their behavior. From simple experiments with toy cars and ramps to observing the effects of gravity on falling objects, we'll engage in hands-on activities that showcase the power of forces. Let's embrace the wonder and excitement of learning how forces influence the world around us. Let's reflect on our exploration today. We've ventured into the world of push and pull forces, discovering their influence on the motion of objects. Forces are indeed powerful phenomena that shape our everyday experiences. Isn't it fascinating? Thank you for joining me on this captivating journey into the world of forces, Miss Lily. I hope you found our exploration enlightening and engaging. Keep an eye out for forces in action in your everyday life, and remember to embrace the wonder of their influence. Until next time in Miss Lily's Fun Classroom, farewell.